Welcome back everybody, and in today's video we'll be discussing how to install a font on iPhone 16 Pro Max. First you need to go to the settings here, and then you need to scroll down, and you need to go to the journal here, and after going to the journal you will scroll down and you'll see an option here, fonts in journal. You need to go in the journal, so you can see there are two options here. The first one is the system fonts, which will be within the system of iPhone, and the other one is my fonts, which you have downloaded from the App Store. Okay, so there are two ways you can install fonts. First, you can go to the App Store and download the fonts on the App Store, and the other way is you can use the system fonts. Okay, so you can go to the system fonts here, and you can install the system fonts which are built in within an iPhone and use them. So that's our today's video. If you have any question, or if you want to keep following the iPhone tutorials like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.